Imagine transforming your space with the timeless beauty of tiles without the hassle of grout. No more scrubbing, no more mold, just pure elegance and ease. Tired of the endless battle with grout lines? You're not alone. Millions face the same struggle, spending hours cleaning and maintaining those pesky lines. But what if there was a way to eliminate the hassle and enjoy a cleaner, more stylish space? Welcome to the revolutionary world of grout-free wall panel. From modern to classic, these panels offer a seamless look that's not only easy to install, but also a breeze to maintain. Say goodbye to grout and hello to a new era of home design. In today's video, you have glimpsed the incredible benefits of grout-free wall panels, seen their versatility, and learned why they're becoming the top choice for homeowners everywhere. Whether you're renovating or building new, these panels offer a solution that's as practical as it is beautiful. So, if you're ready to transform your space and make home maintenance a breeze, contact Mr. Wet Wall Canberra for the amazing world of grout-free wall panel.